would like to come up and test out their joke, please let's get a line going right here. So anyone who wants to test this out, come on up. Where are our brave people? Give us some love! Give us some love! All right. This is awesome. So here's our little rule, okay? This is the first time they're trying this. You're going to clap no matter what. Now, wait a minute. Now, look. Some may be funny, and some may be okay, a little clarification, and some might be a little confusing. That's okay. This is part of the process. So you're going to clap and applaud the attempt. Okay? Hopefully we'll laugh. Laugh first. Chuckle, but be encouragement. We're Toastmasters. I've never had more audience members up here than down there. Awesome. All right. So wait a minute. I'm pretty pumped. I'm going to be
Mark, why are you up here?
I just listen.
She gets a lot of stage time. She's giving it up for you. All right, so we're going to have you come up, and all right, listen up. For those of you trying this, follow the formula. Okay? I've done this before. Some of you will not follow the formula. The formula is, I'm half this and half Toastmaster. Or I'm half Toastmaster and half this. Try and parallel it. So if your joke has Toastmaster first, you put Toastmaster first. If your joke has the other career first, you put the other. So you want it to be parallel. So I'm half Polish, half French and half Polish, which means I have a very romantic love life, so I do the French thing first, but it's a joke. I do the Polish thing second. So just flip-flop. Make sure whatever you're saying second, you do the setup properly. Okay? So what are we going to do to the first person who doesn't follow the formula?
Oh, we're gonna clap.
Yes. You'll be scolded. You'll have to see me after class. All right. Ready? Let's give it up.
I'm Debbie Woohoo Cypress. I'm half Toastmaster and half Mary Kay consultant, which means I'm a 28-year-old Toastmaster junkie who is always having a party.
Hi, I'm Fernando Hinojosa. I'm half Toastmasters and half garbage collector, which means it's all running out of the mouth.
Hello, I'm Miriam Mora. I'm retired, and I'm a Toastmaster, which means...
What? I'm what?
Retired.
I'm what?
Retired.
Half.
Half retired.
That's okay. That's all right. You're not going to be the only one. Trust me.
Half retired and half Toastmaster, which means I do very little all day, and I can't stop talking about it.
Hello, I'm Barrett Dilla. I'm half cook and half accountant. So at the end of the year, during the holiday season, I get so busy, I end up cooking the books.
Hi, I'm Joe Jarrett, and I'm half Toastmaster and half engineer, which means that I can speak, but I can't spell.
I'm Lily Fisher. I'm a half banker and a half laundromat business owner, which means I am a money launderer.
Hi, my name is Moya. I'm half accountant and half college student, so I'll show you how to manage money while I'm in debt.
Hi, I'm Shannon Dunlap. I'm half Toastmaster and I'm half lawyer, which means I'm an applause monger and I like to manipulate the truth.
Hey everyone, my name is Thomas Cook. I'm half Toastmaster and half sales guy, which means I'm an attention seeker and I like to buy lunch.
Hi, I'm Rick. I'm half engineer and half Toastmaster, which means I'm boring as hell, but only last 5 to 7 minutes.
Hi, I'm Barbara. I'm a Toastmaster. I'm half Toastmaster and half teacher, which means that I like to talk so my students shut up.
So I am half software engineer and half Toastmaster, which means I can talk a language nobody understands, but with total confidence.
Hi, I'm Mary. I'm half barista and half college student, which means I'll judge you based off your coffee order while I eat my 10-cent ramen.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and I'm half product manager and half Toastmaster, which means my ideas are the best and I don't shut up about it.
Hello, my name's Patrick. I am half loan processor, half father, which means I will help you get a car, but I will take your keys if you drive too fast.
I'm Evelyn Mooring Howard. I'm half nurse and half Toastmaster. So for simple nursing care, like includes checking your vital signs or putting you on a bedpan, you have 1 to 2 minutes to take care of your business.
Hi, I'm Tammy Day, and I'm half Toastmaster, half program manager for a nonprofit organization. So I will have overachieved my toast by 8 o'clock. I will have managed to micromanage my meetings by noon, and I will have drained my budget by 5 o'clock.
I am Santos. I'm half artist and half depressed. I've taken medication for it. It turns out I'm still an artist.
I'm Patrick Hogue, and I'm half realtor and half Toastmaster, which means I drive a nice car with no money, and I can't keep my mouth shut about it.
Hi, I'm Wafa. I'm a half Toastmaster and half office manager, which means I'm half volunteer and half know-it-all, but what I'm really is a maid.
So for those of you who came up, how did that feel?
It was great.
That give you a little proof that maybe you can't do this? I gave you 5 minutes and a formula. I gave you 5 minutes and a formula. See, this formula is out there in speaking and in humor that you're just not aware of. Do you see the power of that in understanding the exercises to go through it? See, you can do this. You just might not know how or where to put your energy and effort. And I just love giving people direction, and like, I'm ready to like cry when some of you are coming up here. Have you ever written a joke before, those of you who came up? No. Like, you did it. Give yourselves a round of applause. So has this been good?
Yes.
Would you love to learn more?
Yes.